Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 25. Which of the following is most appropriate in hot, humid weather? A. Tight lining attire. B. Tight cotton attire. C. Loose woolen attire. D. Loose lining attire. And E. Loose cotton attire. Now, during a hot, humid weather, it is common that we sweat. It is common that we sweat during hot, humid weather. Now, this is because of the high temperature of the environment. Now, the best attire or the best clothing during this period is the cotton, and it is necessary that this cotton should not be tight, but loosen to allow ventilation. So, loose cotton attire is actually the best during hot, humid weather. Now, this is the reason. This is because it is soft, lightweight, breathable, and soaks up sweat easily. Allowing heat to escape the body, and for us to stay for you to stay cool, and that is why the best fabric for hot, humid weather is loose cotton fabric or loose cotton attire, because it allows for proper ventilation. It helps to soak sweat easily and prevent this sweat from drying against the skin, and it causes cooling. So the best is option E, that is loose cotton attire is the best attire for hot, humid weather. Thank you and God bless you. And just to you subscribe to our channel for more videos in past questions.